Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is the name of music. Jerusalem is the Somali music. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share to friend. You are watching our reaction video, and my name is Nav. If you like, so must subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video and also follow my Instagram. So let's check out the amazing music.
Time we should rise for the glory of Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the time we should rise for the glory of Jerusalem. Is the time we should rise for the glory of Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the time we should rise for the glory of Jerusalem. My home, Jerusalem, my home. Jerusalem, my home. Palestine, my home. Beit al-Aqsa, my home. Was my home. My home. Jerusalem, my home. Jerusalem, my home. Palestine, my home. Beit al-Aqsa, my home. Was my home. Jerusalem, Palestine يا فساد ما يقوم فعلا. فتح Jerusalem في الناوي دحلي ما يمر بافورا. فتح Jerusalem في سن ما يفعل حمى ضفوشاني. فتح Jerusalem فرقوا الليل فاربا فافنون النوام فوليني فتح Jerusalem. Jerusalem. Hey, yeah. Hey, today we will rise, together we will fight, and you don't leave us alone. I promise you will survive. We be nothing again from east to south. Every Muslim nation that exists on the earth will come around and pray on the holy ground. I was chosen by the Lord, put it on Quran. He said Aqsa must be defended from Himaraz by the Muslims. They're my guardians. If they don't do it, they will go to paradise. But don't fear, cause Allah is with us every time. We have to give the hand and jihad for the land, to our families for the half day night. Surrounded by enemies awaiting us still. It's the time we should rise for the glory of Jerusalem. It's the time we should rise for the glory of Jerusalem. It's the time we should rise for the glory of Jerusalem. Oh, يا ويلكم من يبيع بلادي. يا ويلكم من يخين وطني. يا ويلكم من يبيع بلادي. يا ويلكم من يخين وطني. ويا من يحمل دمي، ويا من يحمل اسمي وديني، ويشهد باسم ربه مثلي، ويا تابع لنبينا والله عليه محمد، ويا تابع لنبينا محمد، ويا من يراقبني يسمع ويرى دموعي حين تموت أمي. محبات عيني، محبات عيني، بالروح بدم نبتيك يا غزة. 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 I'm calling to Afghanistan, Albania, Iran. The bravery, Masari, for Tunisia again. The lands of Empire, Yemen is with Bahrain. The lands of Turkey, Ottoman rise again. Somalia, the warriors, they booting with the flame. Libya, Mauritania, the shield of Sudan. Azerbaijan, the legacy, Iraq with Oman. Assyria, Gamma, back my shoulders, Pakistan. Al-Quds تنادينا يا أهل الإسلام تركمانستان أوزباكستان بنغلاديش we are the source of Muratish Kazakhstan will fight Guinea Kosovo Indonesia with commerce Moldavia Kyrgyzstan Abu Dhabi Kuwait يا مكة السعودية أردن المقامي the power of solidarity Somali will save me I'm crying for the lost and I can't stop it Lebanon is my family the bleeding Beirut as long as we don't talk your enemies Kufari will try to kill us all wake up young Muslim the first of Malaysian army will defeat me Senegalese the hunters and Niger will lead me Emirati and Medina Munawwara ya Ali Morocco will save me Mali secure me the unity must return دولة الإسلام the unity must return دولة الإسلام بالروح بالدم نفديك يا غزة بالروح بالدم نفديك يا غزة بالروح بالدم نفديك يا غزة it's the time we should rise يا غزة بالروح.
Okay guys, so this is really amazing music. The music name is Jerusalem is I really like and I really enjoy it. This video is really amazing. This music from Somalia. If you like, so must subscribe. So love you all. Take care. Bye bye.